Have you noticed that your Android phone is no longer as fast as the day you bought it? Maybe it freezes while opening apps, lags during games, or the battery drains faster than usual. Don't worry, this is a very common problem, and you don't need to spend money buying a new phone or replacing parts. In this video, I will show you a simple but powerful method to make your Android phone fast again. And the best part is, you don't need any special tools or technical skills. Every time you use your phone, open apps, browse the internet, or watch videos, your device creates temporary files called cache. Over time, these files build up in the background, taking up space and slowing your phone down. Clearing this hidden data is like giving your phone a fresh breath of air. Here's how to do it. First, unlock your phone and go to Settings. Scroll down until you see Storage. Inside, you'll notice an option called Cached Data. Tap it, and your phone will ask if you want to clear it. Confirm, and instantly your phone will start deleting unnecessary junk files. Don't worry, this will not delete your photos, contacts, or apps. It only removes temporary files you don't need. But what if your phone doesn't show the Cached Data option? Don't panic. You can still do this easily. Just go to the Google Play Store and search for an app called Files by Google. It's a free app from Google itself, safe and trusted. Install it, open it, and tap on the Clean button. It will scan your phone and show you all the junk and temporary files. With just one tap, you can clear them all and free up a lot of space. Now, for best results, after clearing the cache, restart your phone. Once it powers back on, you'll notice the difference immediately. Apps will load faster, scrolling will feel smoother, and your phone will respond like new again. This trick works on most Android phones: Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, Itel, Huawei, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, and many more. Whether your phone is old or new, this hidden trick will speed it up without deleting your important data. So the next time your phone feels slow, don't get frustrated. Just clear the cache using this method and watch your phone come back to life. If this video helps you, make sure you like it, share it with friends who also struggle with slow phones, and subscribe for more easy and 100% working mobile tricks.